Okay, let me beat you up with a little rap. Back from my hometown, Russia, we like to have crushes. Oh, and when we crush on a person, we do That is what we call dancing. Dancing was what I fancy. Oh, this is my beat. This is my song. I am a player. Player is my game. I play it all day long. Break it down now. My name is Lauren. Yeah. I like to party. Yeah. When I party. Yeah. I party hard. Oh yeah. Party, party over here, party over there. We party everywhere. You know where we party because we make it stinky. Do the stinky leg. I'm not being mean. I am being weed. Wait. Being weed? Sometimes I eat butterflies. I just stuff them in there and I go, yummy. I am weed. Like chess, you know. Like chess is so good. I love chess. Because I know I do. I like tapioca. I like tapioca so much. Oh gosh. La 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 la.